here's an example of a logarithm. It says log base 12 of 1 over 12. And they want to know what this equals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say equals x, so that I have a variable to solve for. Okay? Now we could do this a couple ways. I'll do this a couple different ways. We could either convert this using the equivalence. So that would be 12 to the x equals 1 over 12. That's the equivalence. I can do it this way, and now I can see, oh, wait a minute, what's 1 over 12 the same as? This is like 1 over 12 to the 1. How can I get this 12 to the 1 to the top of the fraction?
Times
12 to the, not times the reciprocal.
12 to the negative 1?
12 to the negative 1. That's the definition of a negative power. Hold on. But we're not done. So tell me what x equals. If 12 to the x equals 12 to the negative 1, then what's x?
It's negative 1.
X equals negative 1.
Oh, okay.
And that's your answer. Now, here's the other way you could do it. You could actually, if they let you use your calculator, you could do the log of 1/12 over the log of 12 if you wanted to. It'll give you the right answer. They don't want you to use your calculator, though. They're saying without a calculator, so let's not do that. But that's one way you can check it, just to make sure you did it right. Here's the other way you could do it, and you're going to learn this as well. You could take this, and you could rewrite it like this. I'm rewriting 1 over 12 as 12 to the negative 1. Now there's a property that says the log base b of x to the n equals, this n right here comes down to the front and gets multiplied. If your argument of your logarithmic function has an exponent, you can take that exponent down. That's probably the most powerful rule of property of exponents you'll learn. So this equals n times the log base b of x. So I can take this and bring it down to the front, which means it'll be negative 1 times the log of 12 to the 12. And what's the log of 12 to the 12 equal to? The log base 12 of 12. The log base anything of itself is equal to 1. So this cancels to 1, not to 0, to 1. So negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. Either way would work. So knowing the different properties and knowing the definition and being able to apply them in many ways is really important with logs. The log section is difficult for most people because it's like a puzzle, and they don't have the patience to take all the puzzle pieces and put them together. So you need to be patient, you need to learn the properties, you need to understand the definitions, and you need to do lots of problems, and logarithms can be very simple.